Did you know Google My Business signals are now Google's most important ranking factors? It's true. Find out more on this week's Tip of the Week. Hey everybody, Joe here, and this week I'm talking about Google My Business. Now, if your company doesn't have a Google My Business listing, well, you're going to want to get on that because, as I mentioned up top, Google My Business signals are now the most important ranking factors on Google. And if you don't have a Google My Business listing, you are in luck because we have a blog that shows you exactly how to do that step by step. So check the link in the description below and go to that blog and create yourself a nice Google My Business listing. And once you do have a Google My Business listing, there are some things you're going to want to do to keep it updated so that Google will display your business highly in search results. For one thing, you're going to want to keep the listing updated with all of your business info. Keep that and fill in everything you can about your business on the listing. You're also going to want to take advantage of Google My Business posts, which are updates you can send out about your business. These can be news, events, or deals, or anything else that you want to send out. You'll probably want to send those out at least once a week. You should also update your listing with photos and videos of your business regularly, and get your customers to leave reviews. These are just a few things you can do. Above all, just keep updating your Google My Business listing, and Google will see that and reward you by showing your business highly in search results. Well, hope you found this tip helpful, and I hope you stay tuned because we got more coming. Thanks for watching.